Hello there, this is a quick demo to show you how to use a project as a template, a report as a template, and generate different variants based on a configuration script. Let's say this is my template. I've basically created a very simple report connected to a database table in live query mode. And what I want to customize essentially is that the report based on a particular folder should query a subset of data. The configuration necessary here is to point, for instance, in this case, I've created a record filter rule where a specific field is going to be equal to a parameter value. And at the moment in the template, I've just set it to any current value, just for the sake of setting up the template report. And then having another project, which is my project generator, that will read a configuration made of, for instance, in this case, a folder, which would be a subfolder, starting from the report template location. And a specific value of that parameter that we see was called filter. And then what Omniscope will do, it will take each of these row into configuration and generate a copy of that report template, put into the relative subfolder, and setting the project param in a way that that custom query, that block that we see there, the database block, will point to a different subset of data. So essentially, the effect of this execution here, as you can see, Omniscope is generating a copy of this of the template and is updating this, the two projects with the actual parameters. So if I go here, I will see essentially the report pointing to the collateralized, I guess, category, and in this folder called client B. And instead, if I go into the other one, I'll see the report pointing to the subordinated subset. Okay.